how to get Instagram Notes updated. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get Instagram Notes updated. First of all, open the Play Store. Here search Instagram. Click to open the app. Now see if there's a new update for the app. If not, then go to the app from phone. Hold on to the app until some options shows up, like App Info, Remove, Uninstall, Share. Click on App Info. Go into Storage Usage. Click to clear cache. Press OK to clear app data. Go back to App Info, then close it. Now click to open Instagram. Go into DM. Here you have your notes. Refresh the page and click on Your Notes to see if it is working fine. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.